Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's Sunday 10th of November today. I'm going to share a week of workout and gym fit of the week. I'm going to start off with some squats and lunges. I am wearing this top, which is just a normal top from Kmart, and these shorts, I have got no idea where I got it from, but I think it's from Kmart too, and I love it. And the shoes I'm wearing today is from Target. It's just a simple shoes, and the crop I'm wearing inside is from Kmart too, I think, or from Shein. Hi. So yeah, this is the gym fit of the day, and literally this week I'll be very busy, so that's why I'm not doing daily vlogs. I'm going to go do some exercise. Loving my hair, I love it. I don't know about you all, but I love my hair. Literally, I love my iced coffee. Hello there, so it's the next day and it's 11th of November. Literally, I love this fit. Everything I'm wearing today is from Shein, as you can see, except the shoes. Shoes is the same one from Kmart. They are Everlast shoes, which is gorgeous. Hey, I hardly wear this top, but literally it's really cute at the back. Inside one is from Shein too. You can even put something in here too. I'm going to do some upper body workout today because why not? So I just did the haul and it will be shown in my other vlog, and made me some coffee.
And she
Almost
didn't make me any.
Okay, I'll make you, then I'll exercise, okay?
Thank you.
This coffee is so strong. I showed how I made in the blog, and I got lots of stuff from Kim's Warehouse and Nutrition Warehouse. You should go watch that video, what I got. Hi there, so I'm back and it's 15th of November and I missed Wednesday, Thursday, 13, 14, but I'm back and this is the fit for today. I was really busy, I couldn't do workout, and literally my gym area is all set, but you all will see that video before this video, the gym makeover video, and I added the new equipment there and you all will see anyway. So today I'm wearing this top. It's written Katie here. It's from Putloka, and the leggings is the same Kmart leggings which I show all the time, okay? And the shoes is of course from Target. I just love these shoes, like it's so comfy and like literally it's so light. Very cute leggings, very stretchy too, and yeah, I love it. And this top is so cute too, as you can see, and like literally I missed 2 days workout and I don't feel that good because we can't do anything because we have to do other things too. So I'm going to do Friday, Saturday, then like Sunday again continue other week. So I'm going to share today, tomorrow with you all too, and I don't know till when I'm going to share. Hi there, it's 4th day of the week and it's Saturday today. It's 16th of November. This is the gym fit of the day, and this top got from Kmart, and this shorts is from Foot Locker. I literally love these shorts, like these types of shorts is so comfy and like it looks so cute too. So I bought some from Shein already and I think it's on the way. So yeah, I was lucky enough to get few only because half of my order was cancelled because it wasn't available, it was sold out. So the top at the back looks like this. I hope you can see. Okay, and I think I like it, and I'm going to shoot some clips and add here while doing workout. And this shorts also has like 2 pockets, as you can see, and it has this elastic here which is so comfy, and both side has pockets. And ignore whatever you see here, I think it's oil. So the shoes is the same one I was wearing, Maybelline Superstar Daddy Tint in the shade the A plus number 70. This one is such a gorgeous shade, as you can see.